On Wednesday, March 28, 2012, Christian Verbic, the president of the VZMD, the Pennsylvania Shareholders Association, and Sara Kaushik, the Secretary General, along with over 70 other business professionals, actively participated at the India and Slovenia's Business Partners Roundtable, which was organized by the Embassy of India to Slovenia, the Slovenian Chamber of Commerce, and the IEDC School of Management in Bled, where the event was also held.
So these are all good signs for Slovenia getting into India. But we would also be happy if India can come into Slovenia, with a large scope for investments. For this, a climate has to be created. Hopefully this conference which you're going to have in September would look at these issues. And some of the main issues which prevent or which hinder Indian companies from coming here is, you require to have a look and liberalize your visa rules, your residence permit, and the financial cost that a company would incur. I think once a fresh look of those things is taken, makes Slovenia comparable with neighboring countries. Investments from India are bound to come in a big way because a lot of scope for investment from India and Slovenia.
The welcome speech and introductions were given by Danica Purg, the president of the IEDC, His Excellency J. Car Jerome, the ambassador of India to Slovenia, Marjan Hribar, the general director of the Slovenian Directorate for Tourism and Internationalization, and Samo Hribar Milic, the president and general manager of the Chamber of Commerce and Industry of Slovenia.
Slovenija v zadnjih letih z Indijo dviguje obseg poslovnega sodelovanja. Samo v 7 letih se je menjava povečala za 6-krat, tudi v letih gospodarske krize oziroma recesije se je menjava povečevala in še veliko priložnosti je. Predvsem na področju strojne in elektroindustrije, farmacije, gradne infrastrukture in predvsem ravnanja z odpadki, z novimi tehnologijami, zelenimi tehnologijami. Septembrsko svetovno srečanje investitorjev je prav gotovo pomembno tudi za Slovenijo. Po eni strani bodo tisti, ki se v Sloveniji s tem poslom ukvarjajo, dobili informacije, prenos izkušenj od drugih, pa seveda tudi vzpostavljanje nekih kontaktov in mreže. Po drugi strani pa je to tudi promocija za Slovenijo, za spreminjanje naših poslovnih praks in za odpiranje prostora v širni svet.
The keynote speech, which was addressed by Dilip Chaudhry, the Secretary of the Department of Public Enterprises for the Government of India, discussed the opportunities that India possesses and the advantages that Slovenian companies have by entering this market.
Vedno moraš upoštevati kulturo države, moraš biti zelo s strastjo iti tja, moraš verjeti vanjo, moraš najti lokalnega partnerja. Skratka, zelo podobno s tem, da je seveda Indija res ena od največjih držav na svetu in z izjemnim potencialom. Mislim, da je prav, da nekdo v Sloveniji misli veliko. Zakaj ne bi imel v Sloveniji največjega srečanja investitorja na svetu, zakaj ne bi imel v Sloveniji najboljšega, srečanja takega ali drugačnega. Skratka, mislim, da moramo začeti biti najboljši na svetu na raznih področjih.
The very interesting and invigorating panel delved into the numerous various Slovenian businesses that have penetrated the Indian market and their overall experiences.
Verjamem, da kontakti, ki smo jih danes pridobili, so in bodo v pomoč slovenskemu gospodarstvu. To, kar bo v jeseni v Sloveniji dogodek, je seveda širše zasnovan. Prišli bodo predsedniki združenj investitorjev iz številnih držav, mislim, da 52. Tako da verjamem, da bo to, takrat se Slovenija res mora pokazati v eni odlični luči in to bo lahko v bistvu en nov zagon za slovensko gospodarstvo.
After the discussion on the Indian and Slovenian business potential, the VZMD representatives joined the first ever Cloud Forum, which was organized by Bled Forum, the Center for E-Governance Development, and Consulta. It emphasized the necessity and potential of information technology, which is one of the driving forces behind a successful and lucrative business.
Današnji forum, Cloud Forum, se je nanašal na računalništvo v oblaku, kako lahko računalništvo v oblaku omogoči nov ekonomski razvoj družbe in kje so priložnosti za poslovni sektor, za tuje investitorje in seveda za raziskovalno sfero.
The keynote speech given by Jose Cordero, the director of the Venezuela node of the Millennium Project, spotlighted the future of technology and technology of the future from the IT standpoint.
The activity in BLED about the future of the cloud is very important for the future of the companies and the future of the country and the future of humanity. Investors Week 2012 is going to be a fantastic opportunity for Slovenians and people from other countries to learn more about investment and to invest actually and create opportunities for the private sector and also alliances between public and private sector. So I think it's a good opportunity to keep up to date with what is happening and what will happen in the future years. Especially now that there is the so-called crisis in Europe, it is good to think about long-term investment as well.
Other prominent speakers also included Blaž Golub, the director of the Center for E-Governance Development in Southeast Europe, Biljana Weber, the general director of Microsoft Slovenia, and others.
Svetovno srečanje investitorjev, ki se bo odvijalo v Sloveniji v septembru mesecu, bo izredno pomemben dogodek. Po eni strani za samo promocijo Slovenije, po drugi strani za promocijo Slovenije kot države, ki je zanimiva za tuje investitorje. Ker jaz mislim, da tuji investitorji pomenijo za nas določen priliv ne samo kapitala, ampak tudi prenosa najboljših praks iz tujine in bodo pomagali naši družbi priti v naslednjo stopnjo inovativnosti in nam pomagati pri tem, da še dodatno izboljšamo že zelo dobro konkurenčnost Slovenije na svetovnem trgu.
Tudi področje investicij, kot danes področje računalništva v oblaku, mora zasledovati določen namen in določene cilje. Te cilji so v prvi vrsti družbeni, ekonomski razvoj držav, regij, mest in v drugi vrsti poslovne priložnosti za podjetja, ki investirajo. No, v ta namen mi vidimo tukaj ogromno sinergijo, povezavo med dogodki in že danes sem prepričan, da bo to zelo uspešen teden in posamezni dogodki v okviru tedna investicij.